Hi, thanks for your time and interest, Mr. Toto. I would like to propose for this 20 minutes to have first a couple of slides that we will look together, and we'll just follow by a quick demo of Inquiro. And altogether it should be 8 to 10 minutes. And then I propose that we can discuss how Inquiro can help you in your own business. Okay? Okay, let's go. So it's well known that one of the biggest challenges in the pharmaceutical industry is to cope with the very large amount of data coming, for example, from NGS platform, the diversity of the clinical data reports, images, chromatogram, and so on, all those technologies that generate plenty of data. And in order to help you to cope with that, we are excited to propose Inquiro, which is a simple, smart, and scalable scientific knowledge management system. So how does that work? First, thanks to Inquiro, you will never lose some data because it's somewhere on a PC in the lab. Inquiro allows you to collect any file, any type, regardless of where they are at the moment. It's a truly simple solution to fetch data from network share, from a content management system, instrument, workstation, and so on. And because Inquiro is built on top of a big data storage engine, it can really grow with your business. But of course, putting all together is not the only challenge, right? This is why we say that Inquiro is smart. It has a unique approach which is based on metadata. The technology is capable of analyzing all the files stored in Inquiro and to extract the embedded metadata. In parallel, it will detect in the content of the file, in the text, all the metadata thanks to natural language processing and semantics. We have also created some logic that is able to propagate metadata to a very large number of files very quickly. So Inquiro will centralize all your files and all the attached metadata together, and this will help you to really create knowledge. And this is really the nice part, the good part, because thanks to metadata, you'll create very smart things on top of your data. First, Inquiro comes with a search engine where the search are really guided by the metadata, which is truly very much better than a classical search. Then you can easily integrate with other applications because thanks to the metadata, you can make smart data selection, take really all the files that answer your criteria, and then propagate that thanks to our API to other systems. It will also create traceability because we can keep track of all the access and all the update of the data. But one of the most popular features we have in Inquiro is the dynamical organization of your data. Indeed, you can organize the data really on what they mean and not the way they have stored. And this really fosters collaboration. Because this thematic browsing will help you, will facilitate collaboration because the same data will be looked, for example, by a biologist from the biomarker standpoint or biological process standpoint, whereas a clinician will look at the same data with disease criteria or phenotype criteria. And so Inquiro centralizes many collaborative features in what we call the sharing center. The sharing center can help you to collaborate on list of files or on search results and to exchange them with internal or external collaborators. And finally, all these activities are tracked in an activity stream, which will finally help you to identify key opinion leader. But this is enough talk. Let's move to the demo.